Welcome to our channel. I'm Phoebe.
I'm Washing.
And today we're going to be doing
Slime jump.
We always have to have spinning wheels in there. Well, challenges. You stop it now. We're talking about Okay, guys. So we always have to have the spinning wheel to help us choose our slime. So, guys, I'm going to... Oh, brush and rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Yeah! God, the boy is getting green. Let's get black food guys. And get black. Where's the black food guys? There's no black food. Oh, what do you get? What's that? What's that?
Pony beads.
Pony boy. Where's the pony bee? Here. No. Oh no! Sorry, but don't pour them on in just in case I get them. Don't pour them on in. It's called jump it. No, it's called jump it.
You can choose your own slime. Let's
So guys, now it's my turn. I hope I don't get a fly. Every time he's gonna get me some good. Sand. I'm just gonna go for green because St. Patrick's Day almost, so yeah. Here, I'm taking out all these. I'll be a while. 10 minutes later. Okay, I'm still doing it. St. Patrick's Day! So guys, now it's mine. I never feel this sound. It's so good. What's that?
Pink.
Black?
Pink glitter.
Pink glitter. How come we're not gonna let me hate pink? Washing, you don't pink for the galaxy. I mean purple. What the heck? Oh no. What the heck? Do you need help? No, wait. Just dump it in like that. And you don't want that to happen, don't you? Mine looks good so far. Yours looks like a girl slime, mine looks like a boy. So guys, that's my turn. No! Ah!
Black glitter glue.
No! I'm only adding a little bit in, not all of it. Phoebe! Oh, come on. Mystery Will, I might have to let you out of here if you do that again, boy.
It's me, Yoshi.
Stop it, please. Let's do it, guys. And it goes. This is like grass and like slime crunched up. What is it? 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 What is it?
Silver glitter.
Silver glitter. You're just gonna turn out like a girl slime. So mine's gonna turn out like a girl slime if I just make it like St. Patrick's slime. Actually feels like slime with water in it. I mean sand with water in it. I want it. Add great. Because then it's gonna turn into... No, don't add it all in. This actually it's not gonna be a gold color anymore. I'm gonna spin again.
Pony bead.
And again. Let's take the extra hot. Let's spin again. Glitter.
Clear glue.
Clear glue. Yes. I got clear glue. Your slime is going to turn out like clear. What do you mean? Let's just add it in.
I'm nodding.
Oh my god, yeah, this is gonna be super cool. Oh, look at
It looks so pretty. It looks like unicorn beads. Wait.
when we were trying to mix them, our dad helped us out putting lots of glue, lots of artificial, and lots of more glue. So I'm gonna put lots of glue in so he doesn't need any more. Because all he does is do artificial, right? Put it in, and then it turns on water.
The God knows my turn to spin.
I don't think I tell me God, not black glitter, not black glitter. Black glitter!
It's this.
It's black glitter. Trick you guys. Okay, now it's my turn, guys. What's it gonna be? Dump it! No! What is the pink glitter again?
No, purple glue.
I could use the other glitter. Oh no. No, that one's pink, isn't it, Dad?
It feels so sandy. It feels like water which stands on unicorn beads. So far I've got no glue, no nothing.
Oh my god!
We hope I'll
Look at
get
my
glue
pink
today.
lines. What's it gonna be?
Here's some clear glue.
Clear.
Very glue.
Don't do it. Do it. Just do it. Here. No, here.
Is it?
It's already open, so yes.
I might as well open it all up.
Yeah, I don't think glitter. I like to never keep on
And
landing.
don't worry guys, because at the end we're going to actually
Clear
clear glue.
Yeah, use it. You need more.
Good.
Because I have a lot of clear glue.
Oh yeah. Okay, it's done. Let's do it.
Little
Just
things in it. And I
Spin
don't
it.
like
I'm
it.
gonna spin.
No!
I'm gonna land on Duncan. Please be on Duncan.
Don't get dumped. Don't get dumped.
So a bit. No.
Silver glitter.
Yes! It was so. Add all of it in.
All of it.
No, that's half and half. So guys, now it's my turn. Food. Color.
Is that it?
Oh, look at it. I can choose one of these.
Oh, look, that's right.
Where's
I
Blackie? Where is Blackie? Black, my favorite color.
Is that actually your favorite color?
Which is purple. Oh,
So guys, we're on
look at mine,
I'm
guys.
not getting black
Guys,
glitter.
look at mine.
Glue again, no way.
Zoom in the camera. Zoom in the
Purple glue.
purple. Zoom in the camera. Zoom in the camera.
Dad, I have to use this one because
Zoom in
there might be a little bit more in here.
Good luck. No. Oh yeah. Should have used all of it, boy.
Don't get dumpy. What if I get some more pretty slime?
Green glitter glue.
Dark or light? Dark. Dark goes with my top for the other way.
Legend.
Going to climb this.
So while she formed that in, I'm gonna spin the wheel. I don't get so big because I don't want to ruin my screen. Don't get so big.
Two.
Foam balls.
I'm gonna add
Boy. Yep, foam ball.
it's not on the spinning wheel. Isn't that right, guys? Hey, this is like Patrick's underwear. What's the other way around? Hey. Patrick's underwear from SpongeBob.
So guys, this is my last spin.
And then it's my last thing, guys.
I really want that activator, just please.
Good guy. Gumball.
Yes. I'm going with red. Yeah, red on red.
Pushing, be careful, it might sprinkle out everywhere like mine. You know, like, yeah.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, it looks so gorgeous. It looks so gorgeous. Here's like a vampire. I want that to jump into mine. No way.
We don't.
So let's look at mine, guys. How does
Daddy,
it look?
what we just-
So guys, this is my last thing. Don't get black or dump it.
Yeah, black. Black
Don't
is the
get
best.
something. Honestly.
Pink.
No pink glitter below. It's glue, Phoebe. Glitter.
Pink glitter. Yeah.
Thank goodness I didn't get any.
So guys,
that was the final round. So you can pause it.
I'm not. It's not the boss job.
Wrong with you.
Hey, don't it. No. Let's do it. Pass it on. No, this is their last round, Dad. Jump it. That doesn't count. It doesn't count. It was the last round. Pass it on.
What? It doesn't count. So I have my slime here. Ocean's turned out a little bit grey, and mine turned out like
Maybe
an island greenish, orange, purplish color. And
I think it's ready. Then jump on the table, Phoebe.
Don't
it.
So guys, we're going to throw it on the table.
Where do we put our spoons? Down here, so they don't get like slime. And
I think I need a little help. My hands are getting tired. Oh,
come on, dump it, boy. I'm going in with my hand.
so this is how it looks come together. Mine is a little bit come together, and it's getting a little sticky. And Ocean's turned out like a little greyish. And I'm okay with mine. Are you okay with yours, Ocean?
Yep.
Whoa! Little bit, Ocean.
Little bit. But then knitting it.
Hey, I got it one over there. I'm going to see because I'm going to make a big bubble.
Maybe I'm getting this thing to my side. Your clean hands, move it over.
Oh my god. I need more activator. Mine is a little sticky.
That's running all watery, Daddy.
What is it? Mix it all together.
Okay.
And see if it turns out like slime.
It is.
Yeah, that's not water. Whoa!
Go on, Daddy. You're not the expert slime Phoebe. Daddy is.
Challenge is who makes the biggest one.
Daddy, what happens
if we don't
make it?
Maybe I am because I have a lot of slime, which you only have unicorn beads. Of course, I love unicorn beads. Green and orange beads. I mean foam beads. But they're still beads. And purple. Wait. I have no idea how I put it in else. I think I put it in purple glue, black glitter, and activator. That's what make it. And green sand. Yeah, thanks. So guys, I'm gonna make a big bubble. So Ocean, challenge is who can make the biggest bubble.
we don't make it, can we start again? Yes.
But what if I make the biggest bubble?
Wait.
Maybe I'm gonna make the
Let's
biggest
do
bubble.
it. 5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
No.
Still mix one.
Woo!
Woo! Oh no. Still
I love this slime. Feels like fluffy slime. But it's not fluffy slime. It's only slime. Woo! Woo! So guys, if you drop the front of it, it doesn't work. Because how you going to bring it over? Ocean, selecting. I made a bigger bubble. And I made a littler bubble.
I made a bigger one. Oh yeah. What the gummit
You just have to keep on eating it, guys, and then it turns into real slime. Hear that crunch in it, guys? I love that.
Here's my crunch. Guys, look at my crunch.
And guys, look at my crunch again. Pushing. Gonna do stretching test.
Okay. He does the biggest stretch. But you're not allowed on your chair.
Yeah, you are.
No, you're not. That's not fair then. No, because I'm not on my chair. It's harder if I'm not.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video,
Hit that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, hit that notification. Oh yeah, now see.
and grow with us. Guys, if you want to collaborate with us, join the clan. If you want to check out, comment down below. And comment down below which clan you like the best. I think mine.
I think mine, look at mine.
Mine
looks so bad. Look at it. It's so different colors with purple. Mine looks the best. Look what colors mine is. It's that tortoise.
Well, I made the biggest bubble.
Oh.
Okay, one more bubble test, guys.